Welcome to 6832 Wide Valley Drive, located less than a 10-minute ride from downtown Brighton and only 25 minutes northwest of Ann Arbor. Sitting on a lovely rolling lot, this 4-bed, 2.5-bath, 2-story home offers plenty of space both indoors and out. A large deck sits on the east side of the home and looks out over the rear yard, which is hemmed in nicely by mature trees. A second-story balcony offers nice eastern views and is accessible directly from the master bedroom. Join us while we tour this beautiful home. Thanks for visiting 6832 Wide Valley Drive. If you have any questions regarding this listing or any other, please contact Wally Balea at 734-260-1830 or visit ewingpros.com.